Hello, what's up guys? Today I will show you a 3-in-1 mini vacuum cleaner. You can use it to clean your car's interior or as a desktop cleaner for your home. I will test it to see if it is really useful or just a waste of money. Let's quickly unboxing it. Inside the box, there is a small user guide in both Chinese and English. Now let me show you what's inside the box one by one. This is the dust filter. I will test later to see if it is really works. This is the dust collection unit. The material quality does not feel too cheap. This is the motor and battery unit. It also includes a USB-C charging cable which you can use with any smartphone charger. It works as a blower too, and there is an attachment for that. Here are everything that was inside the box. Now it is time for testing. First I will test its blowing power. Here you can see its blowing power. It is average, but I think it is useful for removing dust from electronics like PCBs. Now I will test the vacuum power. I have attached the dust filter and other components. You can see it is slightly suctioning my hand. It works with crumpled paper, but larger pieces get stuck at the front one-way lock. Now let's test its maximum capability using this metal washer. You can see the result. It is not bad. It can pick up small washers, but larger ones get stuck at the front filter. Finally, let's see how it handles dust. You can see it is almost completely clean. The results are impressive. I did not expect this performance from a product in this price range. The dust filter can be cleaned with water. It works very well and no dust enters the motor unit. However, the dust collection chamber is quite small and the battery backup is not great. But if you are on a budget and need something for small area cleaning, it is good choice. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.